Hello everyone, I'm Arka Singh from iBharat Software. Today I will explain about ChatGPT. So in this meeting, I will cover first introduction of ChatGPT and second like a demo on ChatGPT. So let's begin. Okay, so ChatGPT basically they launched chatbot in November 2022. It's OpenAI GPT third family of the large language model, and it's very fine-tuned. So you will not observe any performance issues. Like if anybody want to search anything, so they have to type whatever their expectation on basis of expectation. ChatGPT and chatbot will generate code and answer for their requirements. ChatGPT was launched prototype on November 30, 2022 and quickly generated attention, detailed response, articulated answer across the many domains of the knowledge. So basically, we are expert in a database side like iBharat software. Basically, it's a expertise in a database side. So we have already checked like a demo how ChatGPT is helping in a database world. Maybe like nowadays we are typing our query over the chat GPT, but going further, that will convert it into the audio. So no need to type, only if you speak, whatever your requirement on basis of that. Chat GPT, chatbot will type your question and after that they will generate a proper answer. Okay, so for this release, OpenAI was valued at $29 billion. So let's begin a demo so that you'll get to know how ChatGPT is working and how you can start your demo. So let's begin. Let me minimize this and open Chrome. So you have to type chat.openai.com. Try to hit enter button. And next step, you have to sign up. Like if you don't have account, so basically you have to provide an email ID and mobile number. So your account will be generated, and after that, you'll be logging and start using a chatbot, Chat GPT. So let's start with logins because I already created my login. So my ID is isoft@gmail.com. Let's try to log in. Then let me type my password. Let me try this. Okay, now it's not working. Let me forget my. Okay. So in the registered email ID, I will get my reset URL. So let me try this. Okay. So I'm resetting up password. So it's okay. So still not received. iBards@gmail.com. Reset once again. Reset URL be sent over the iBards. Oh, let me back to our clients. But this is not working. Let me sign up. Continue with this one. Okay, let me back and I'm going to log in with this one. iBards. Okay, so I already logged in here. So this is a ChatGPT like chat base. So you have to type your query here. So let's just start here. So in this window, you have to type your query. So let me ask some database related question. What is SQL Server? Let's ask this question. So you can see it's a SQL Server Relational Database Management developed by Microsoft. It's used by the store manage large amount of business organization tools. So this is asked. Let's suppose if you want to create any databases. So simply you have to ask here, generate, let me uh, generate SQL as script for inventory database in MS SQL Server. So let's ask and press hit enter button. You can say it's a database creation script they have started writing with a like a primary key constant they are creating. Second supplier table they are started creating. You can see here. And it's you can say order table is there and auto number they are starting with the identity. And here you can see it's a foreign key they created a product table as well as you can say it's a supplier table. So you can see like let's look. So create a inventory table they generated. Okay. So let's copy this script and open a system as so let me open any SMS 2014 I'm opening and let's take SQL Server services are running or not. On basis of that, we can like connect my database instance and we'll create a. So you can see all database services are stop state. So let me start one SQL services. So I'm starting with it's a SQL Server 2014 node one I'm going to start. Let's check it's starting or not. So basically multiple SQL service I installed for the demo, like a multiple demo. So SQL Service 2014 started. So let's connect my database. It's a 2014 with a SQL authentication. I'm going with a window authentication. Let's try to connect. That should work because SQL services are up and running. Okay, okay, it's connecting. So you can see I already copy my script. Like a clear database script is first. So let me copy this and let's try to execute. Nothing to do here. They will automatically generate a database and multiple table, product table, supplier table, and other table. Three table they created. So let's wait and you can see here no inventory database in this database servers. You can see here. So let me open a new queries and simply have to copy and paste. Okay, so let's wait few seconds. And meanwhile, let's wait. So that's new query will be generated because multiple SQL service instance running on this laptop. So it's taking a long time. Meanwhile, let me ask like a select, please generate read or select statements of above tables. Let me ask in the same session, please generate a read and select a statement of above tables. Let me ask what they are doing. Okay, so they are started. You can see they started with the same session they are explaining because they have created three tables and with all columns they are starting writing here. You can see it's automated, everything is going because I asked to select and read the statements. So they start a select product and after they're saying column specific if you want, so they already generated a script for you. So let me check SQL Server is ready and I have to paste this and let me execute this. Oh, inventory database is not there. So first they have to create like a database is not created. So let me create first and then let me comment this one and you have to execute this. Okay. So you can see inventory database is already created and with the three tables you can see here expanded tables you got this. And next question I asked with OpenAI, it's a ChatGPT to reach this table. So they already generated a script for you. So let me ask and execute the same statement for you. So you can see it's okay. Select a statement they already given. Let me ask some insert a statement. Hmm. So please insert some simple data into above tables. Let me ask same question tables. Please insert some simple data in above table. Let me ask what he will be doing. Okay, so insert a statement they already started writing here. You can see here. It's very user friendly. You can say it's very impressive. Maybe going further, no need to type. Only you have to speak your question, and after that, they will start writing whatever like a code you are looking for on basis of your requirement. While ChatGPT is started writing an insert statement for you all tables. You can see here. Okay, it's generated, so simply you have to copy and you have to paste into the same databases. Let me go with a new query once again because I have to select after insertion. So let me execute. Okay. So you can see it's working perfectly fine and you can execute here. You will get all the data. Okay. So very interesting. Thanks, Chat GPT. You're welcome. You can see Chat GPT is responding correctly. You can see here. So I think going further, they will replace most of the search engine and perfectly they are writing a same code, exactly same. Any language, any programming language, any database on basis of your requirement, you can ask and they will respond you perfectly. Okay. Okay, so let me stop now. Thanks. Thanks for watching.